Myself, Yuvraj Sonone, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Botany, MSG College, Maligaon Camp. Today, I am going to teach TYBSc students. Title of the paper is Spermatophyta and Paleobotany. Chapter number 2, Pinus. Topic: alternation of generations or life cycle pattern of Pinus. In the life cycle of Pinus, the plant body is sporophytic. Sporophyte means it is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. In Pinus, the sporophytic plant body is a dominant monoecious plant. Monoecious means the male and female strobili are present in the same plant. Monoecious. The male cone consists of microsporophyll, which are modified spirally arranged leaves. They contain microsporangia that possesses microspores or pollen grains. The female cone produces small black scale and large stout ovuliferous scale which contain 2 ovules. Each ovule contains the nucellus and integument that surrounds it and a pore called the micropyle. In pollen sac, during the formation of pollen grains, meiosis takes place, means undergoes reduction division. So the pollen grains are haploid. Pollen grains or microspore is the first cell of the male gametophyte. Usually, the pollen grains are dispersed in the month of March. After the dispersal, the male cone dries up and falls off. Falling of the pollen grains on the female cone and attachment to the micropyle initiate pollination and the pollen tube develops. The megasporangium or ovule produces megaspore mother cell in the cells of nucellus, which undergoes reduction division to form linear tetrad of 4 megaspores, out of which the lowermost is functional. This stage takes place almost 1 year in Pinus. Megaspore represents the first cell of the female gametophyte. The pollen tube reaches the egg, where 2 haploid sperm nuclei are released. One nucleus degenerates and the other fuses with egg to form the diploid zygote. That latter develops into an embryo within the seed. It takes place 2 to 3 years from pollination until seed formation. The dispersal of seed by the wind follows, and after the seed finds suitable conditions, favorable conditions, it germinates and grows into a new pinus plant. In pinus, spend most of their life cycle in the sporophytic phase, and the gametophyte generation is totally dependent upon the sporophyte generation for survival. In pinus, they can grow even in rocky areas and a high altitude. They grow up to 150 feet and live for over 100 years. See the references. See the pinus plant, and thank you.